Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Jazz exhaust. Before we begin, it's crucial to gather all your necessary tools and parts. You'll need a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, penetrating oil for stubborn bolts, and a set of wrenches or sockets. Make sure you have your new exhaust system, fresh gaskets, and new rubber hangers ready. Always work on a flat, stable surface and use jack stands to securely support your vehicle for safety. Now, let's get to removing the old exhaust. First, generously spray all the exhaust bolts and rubber hangers with penetrating oil. This helps loosen any rust. Begin by carefully unbolting the exhaust sections, typically starting from the catalytic converter connection. You might find 2 bolts here. Next, use a pry bar to gently detach the rubber hangers from the exhaust system. Once all connections are free, carefully lower the old exhaust system from underneath your Honda Jazz. With the old exhaust removed, it's time to install your new one. Start by attaching the new rubber hangers to the designated mounting points on your Honda Jazz. Next, apply a thin, even layer of exhaust paste to all new gasket surfaces. This ensures a leak-free seal. Carefully lift and connect the new exhaust sections, typically starting from the front, near the catalytic converter. Hand tighten all the bolts to allow for minor adjustments and ensure proper alignment of the entire system. For the final steps, it's crucial to tighten everything securely. Go back and fully tighten all exhaust bolts, ideally to the manufacturer's torque specifications, which are typically around 30 to 40 foot-pounds. Double-check all connections for any potential exhaust leaks by listening for hissing sounds. Ensure the new exhaust system has adequate clearance from the chassis and other components. Finally, if you have new stainless steel tips, wipe them with glass cleaner before starting the engine to prevent fingerprints from etching onto the hot metal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.